Coffee beans go through several stages of processing before they are ready to be roasted, ground, and brewed. The main steps in coffee processing are as follows. 1. Harvesting. Coffee cherries are harvested by hand or machine. Coffee cherries are the fruit that contains the coffee bean. 2. Sorting. After harvesting, the cherries are sorted to remove any unripe, overripe, or damaged cherries. 3. Pulping. The outer layer of the cherry is removed, revealing the coffee bean inside. This can be done using a wet or dry method. 4. Fermentation. The beans are placed in water to ferment, which removes any remaining fruit flesh and impurities from the beans. 5. Washing. The beans are thoroughly washed to remove any remaining impurities from the fermentation process. 6. Drying. The beans are then dried to remove any remaining moisture. This can be done using natural or mechanical methods. 7. Hulling. The dried beans are hulled to remove the parchment layer that surrounds the bean. 8. Sorting and grading. The beans are sorted by size, color, and defects, and are then graded based on quality. 9. Roasting. The beans are roasted to develop their flavor and aroma. Roasting can be done at different levels, from light to dark roast. 10. Grinding. The roasted beans are ground to the desired consistency, depending on the brewing method. 11. Brewing. The ground coffee is brewed with water to extract the flavors and aromas from the beans. Each step in the coffee processing affects the final taste and quality of the coffee. Different regions and countries have their own unique methods of processing coffee, which can result in a wide variety of flavors and aromas.